All right. It is a long weekend with the market closed on Monday for holiday. So today I want to do a special update while we have the time, and I want to talk about the benefits of being a trader. And I want to show you the last 3 months in the triple Qs here. Going back to October 21st to today, we are up about 5.3%. And I want you to also pay attention to all of the volatility and ups and downs that we've had in the market. And for about 3 months now, I've had TSC trade alerts where you can follow along with me and my trades. And I want to show you in the same time period over the past 3 months what the triple Qs have done here, and then also what we have done as traders. If you look at this 3-month period, we are up over 18% in the same exact time that I just showed you. The triple Qs are up 5%. The other thing I want you to pay attention to is the growth of this equity curve. There are ups and downs along the way, but as a trader, we always want to make sure our account is going to the top right. So even though on the triple Qs I showed you lots of volatility within the same time period, you can see there is not nearly as much volatility within our trading account. And these are the exact trades that you're going to get if you're a TSC Trade Alerts member. All you have to do is match the trade when I send the alert. So in this 3-month period, we are up 18.3% with a very solid growth curve, which shows very strong risk reward. So now if I go back to the triple Qs, you can see a very choppy curve in that period. And that's why as traders, we were able to capitalize on that volatility. But our trading account doesn't have all of these crazy swings that we see in the market. So what I'm trying to get across to you today is that as a trader, your job is to get in the best risk reward setups with the best probability. And you have to understand as a trader, you are never going to win all of your trades. So if you find yourself depending on knowing what the market is going to do, it is more than likely that you are not trading, that you are gambling. A lot of traders are doing this where they're over leveraged, they're playing around in the options market, and they're only 1 or 2 really bad trades away from completely blowing up all of their earnings. All of their hard work in their portfolio is going to be erased, and this is horrible risk management, and this is not how you become a profitable trader. You need to be in this for the long haul, and if you work your tail off for over 2 years and get massive profits and you can lose those in less than 1 year, then you are gambling and eventually you will lose it all. So pay very close attention to how I teach trading. I always say no options, only shares, and I always give you the scenarios for the bear and bull scenarios, even though I obviously always take the highest probability trade that I see and I do it in the best risk reward fashion that I can do it. This allows me to lose trades and still be profitable because when I win, I am always going to make more money than when I lose money. And over time, that yields a profitable and disciplined trader. So I really wanted to focus on that message today. I think a lot of you are getting it. I think some of you are very close to fully understanding it. And the more you see it and the more you do it in your own trading, it is really going to start making sense. And you're going to start seeing how being up 18% in 3 months is all you need. You don't need to go crazy gambling in the options market and always go for a home run. You just need to continue to win the trades with the best setups. And over time, that will start compounding and you will get to where you want to be and you will be learning how to trade the correct way. And that is what I am doing in TSC Trade Alerts. So if you want to follow my exact trades, it is the percent allocations that I am in for the TQQQ or SQQQ. That is the TSC Trade Alert service that I offer, which you can find out how to join in the description of this video. So looking at the market going into next week, it will be a shortened week and we do have this bull breakout, which is the scenario we were looking for. If you go back to the last week or week and a half of my videos, I was talking about the bear trap. I was talking about how the market was setting up this perfect dip below support, which was likely going to trick and trap the bears before a very impulsive rally. And I showed you exactly how I was predicting this in those videos, so I'm not going to go over it again. But what you really need to pay attention to now going into next week is with the shortened week is whether or not we are going to hold this bull breakout in the triple Qs above 516. This will be the bull breakout the bulls need to hold because as long as they're above this, even if we get a pullback into this zone, we are still more than likely going higher. Now, if this was a bull trap, that is going to pull in all of the people that likely just got bear trapped. They are now going to cover their short positions and go long. And in this scenario, they will then get bull trapped. And I'm telling you right now, there is the possibility that plays out. I'm not trying to scare you, but if you were a bear that just got trapped, I would be very careful just buying the breakout as a bull, because if you get trapped twice, you're going to lose again, and it's going to be back-to-back losses. And if you're not managing risk, they could be very large. So manage that risk right here at 516. If we can't hold 516, there's nothing wrong with getting risk off. And if we don't hold 516, there will be an increased probability this was a bull trap breakout and not the real deal. But there's still a very good chance it is the real deal breakout because it's a bull market. We just had our pullback, and from here above 516, we'll be looking for for 530. So I don't want to overcomplicate it. It's really going to be that simple. It's always going to come down to whether or not you have a trade plan with good risk reward setups and good probability. And that is exactly what we are doing in TSC Trade Alerts. And that is why you see we have such a nice growth curve. And over the last 3 months, we are up over 18%. So stay disciplined. You will become a profitable trader if you learn to trade the correct way with the best probability and the best risk reward. And if you want to come trade with me, the best way to do that will be TSC Trade Alerts, which you can find out how to join below. So enjoy the day off tomorrow. I think it's going to be another fun trading week ahead, and we're going to have plenty of volatility, which is going to make for more great trades. So get your trade plans ready. You have the extra day off. You should have plenty of time to prepare your trade plan around following price around critical levels and continue to practice these things that I'm teaching you. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.